It's got brass ends on it, so we'll cut those off. I'm going to bring my other cutters over here before I started, just so I'd have them. Now we'll just separate go ahead and get rid of this plug end if we can. If I can just cut it off with the wire cutters. I think so. Yeah. Okay. Kind of cut into my copper a little bit. That's okay. That'll go. Looks like bright shiny. Peel this one apart. Now, the easiest way to do this is just to kind of lay it away from you. Get your utility knife. Just kind of hold it down. Well, I may have to change the angle here a little bit where you can see me. Hold it down here and just hold the knife away from you, then just kind of draw the wire up to you. Find the sweet spot there. Pull it to you and it strips it off pretty nicely there. Peel her back. Now, if any of you have one of these flaring tools around, that's what I'm going to try to use. Here's a piece of a plug in. So on that, of course, you can probably try to cut it back, get the whole brass out, but I'll just cut them off here with my cutters. Cut the plug off. Oh man, that's what I was going to bring over here. I was going to bring my strippers. Probably should have just paused the video for that, but you want to take about an inch or so, pull it off the end. Yep, I cut it all off of that end. Okay, and find the hole that's about the smallest hole on there, and that wire will go through it. And this is the flared out side, so I want to flip it over, open it up, take one of your box knife or utility knife blades, and sometimes you have to play around with the adjustment on this. I'm going to just set it to about halfway up for right now. And it probably can be kind of awkward trying to hold the blade and hold that. Okay, now I got a little table vise over here. Hopefully you can see this okay. Try to mount that in there securely. Yeah, I might have to drop it down some. That one doesn't really want to go through too well. Sometimes you may have to get onto it with pliers. Sometimes maybe not. But you pull that through. This wire here is kind of deteriorating. I could probably do this better without gloves on. That's about what there is to that. I got another couple of cords over here somewhere. This one's kind of thin, so I'm not sure how that's going to work. Save time, I'm just going to clip this off for right now and split it out. That's not working too good. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna may have to redo this video when I get a better camera and I can zoom in on it. Or get an action camera where I can just mount it on my head, and then you can, the closer I put my head to it, the better you'll be able to see it. This one's kind of a long one. Did it cut all the way? Well, it's peeling out of there, so I don't know if it cut all the way to the copper, but it got close. But as you can see, it's peeling out of there pretty good. And roll her up into a ball. There are several models and styles of wire strippers out there that, and some of them cost you a pretty penny. And sometimes when we're starting out scrapping, we gotta kind of watch our spending. A lot of us start scrapping for a little extra income, and you don't want to take everything you're making and throw it right back into tools. So that's why this little flaring tool, pipe flaring tool, may come in handy for some. If you have, especially if you have it laying around, or you might find one at a yard sale, then just go down and get you some utility blades. It cleans right up. So I hope you found this video entertaining and educational. I can't quite get a hold of that. I have to push the insulation through from the back side. There we go. Try to get a hold of the insulation and start pulling, because I can't really see where the cut is. There we go. I know it's probably not the best video, but I hope you could understand what I was doing here. And if you found it informative and it helped you a little bit, please subscribe to my channel. I could use the subscribers since I am just starting out. Tell your friends about it. Leave a comment. Yeah, I'd like to hear from anybody that watches this, if it helped you out, if there's anything you'd like to see tore down, scrapped out. Kind of thought, instead of calling it scrapping, I could have called it a junking video. But hope you enjoyed it, and I'll try to make another video next week. I'm not sure what I'll get into, but I'm going to try to put my business card on a few Facebook groups today, local ones, and see if I can't pick up a few items today or later this week. It's probably going to be up 102, 103 again today later on, so I thought I'd get out here in the morning. It's almost 9:15 now, so I guess I'll sign off of here, and happy scrapping there, scrappers, junking, or whatever you want to call it. I hope prices go up soon for all of us. But right now I want to take advantage of prices being low. I haven't really been bringing anything in for about the last 4 years. I'm still cleaning up stuff I've had around here, and plus, you know, just living life, we generate a little bit of waste and scrap metal. So I'm going to try to start bringing stuff in and stockpiling some stuff until prices go up. But of course, tin and stuff like that, you gotta move it along. Get too much of it. I'm out here on 5 acres, so I got room I can store some of it. You know, plus I'm out in the country, so I don't have all the rules that they place on people in the city. Yeah, I'll let you look at me a little bit. Not that I'm worth looking at, but I don't know what else to say other than happy scrapping, and hope prices go up. And we'll see you here in about a week, I hope. Till then, bye-bye.